Welcome and subscribe to Erikaunda YouTube channel for more tips on how to cook.
Hi guys, so welcome to today's preparation of tea. I want to show you how to prepare a Costarian tea. This one I want to remind you that I was taught by one of my good friends who is a Costarian. She lives in Coast. So all the ingredients that you can see on this table, we have the cardamom here. Now this is cardamom, piece of cardamom, or you can call it iliki in Swahili name. We also have cinnamon here. Now this cinnamon, you can also call it dalasini in Swahili name. And then next, on the same plate, we also have this is ginger. I'm going to show you how to use it when you prepare this tea. And next, I have sugar here. This is sugar, the normal sugar. And we also have a cup of milk, milk here. So now I want to show you step by step how I'm going to prepare this one. I forgot to show you the tea that I'm going to use so that it adds some, I spice up this tea. We call it majani chai in Swahili name. So as I've already shown you all the requirements that we need so that you can prepare this Costarian tea. I'm going to begin by, let me bring a knife. I'm going to use a knife to cut this ginger into small pieces. Yes, remember to wash your hands. Now, let's begin step by step. Ensure that you follow. We have the ginger here. I'm going to cut this ginger into small pieces, like about let's say some very, very small pieces too. And then you also take care so that you don't cut your hands. Also bring some other disasters. So, ginger. Or you can also buy it. We have some ginger which are being sold in supermarkets, which are in powder form. So, but for me, I bought just took the natural one, which I'm going to crush it this way. You crush it well and nicely. You can use depending on the force that you have, the energy that you have. You use a different force to crush it using pastry. So there we go. This clearly shows that I have done it perfectly. And then next, from there, as you can see, I've done from there. Now the ginger is ready. The next thing that I'm going to do, now this is cinnamon. You can see it. This is cinnamon. So I'm going to take this milk. Now this milk, I'll pour that milk there. The next thing that I'm going to put on the fire. Yeah, there we go, on the fire. Then next, we are going to take some very few minutes for it to boil before I add the ginger. Let me bring my spoon here. So that you don't waste any piece of ginger. And then I'm going to take pour all the ginger inside the milk. Awesome. So I take the cinnamon and the cardamom and use it to put it inside. So as you can see, that is the cinnamon and cardamom. You mix them nicely. So the majani chai, we have it here. Then we also boil it a tablespoon of it. And then I mix. Now what will follow next, we are going to wait it to give it some few minutes to boil, and then afterwards we are going to add sugar. We have our sugar there, but let's wait for some few minutes and then we put it inside. I want you to be very keen. So inside this sufuria, the things that we have, remember that we have inside the cinnamon. We also have the cardamom, or you can call it iliki. And then now what I'm going to add here is sugar. I have my sugar here. We have 2 cups of this tea. So I'm going to add this sugar. A small amount of sugar. Custard tea. Kwa hivyo sasa tayari chai hii ilikuwa inaelekea kumwagika, lakini nikawa makini sana nikaizuilia. Naam. Sasa hivi it's important. Hicho sio kawaida.
Now this is my tea, as I had promised earlier in my last pancake video.
If you prepared your pancake, you can take with it. We call it Swahilian tea. You can only find it in Kenya.
Good stuff. Clap for the tea, clap for the tea. Subscribe for more tips on how to cook